Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the cheapest iPhone 10 case on eBay. Now, a couple stipulations to this are, by cheapest, I mean I searched iPhone 10 case, and I sorted it by price plus shipping, lowest first, and I turned on the guaranteed 3-day delivery because that eliminated all the ones shipping from China. That would take like a month or a month and a half to get here. Yes, there are cheaper cases on eBay, but they're pretty plain, just clear TPU cases and stuff like that. This case was about $5. So it was one of, like, I would say probably the top 10 cheapest cases on eBay. For the sake of the video, we're going to call it the cheapest case on eBay because it was on the first page. So obviously, I couldn't get the plain, cheapest case on eBay just because it was pointless to do that. It's just a piece of plastic. This one is actually a little bit more, offers a little bit more protection, and has a kickstand on it, so we're going to see how all that works. This one, like I said, was about $5, like 4 and some change. It did come in the guaranteed 3 days. It actually came a day early. It wasn't supposed to be here until tomorrow. So here it is. It's just one of those, cheap rubber things right here. iPhone X, at least doesn't have some like random weird name for the iPhone on it. It's got the little bumps on the back here, which I don't know how I feel about those. They're not too attractive, but they do make it a little bit grippy. Open ports on the bottom, cutout volume buttons, power button or Siri button, whatever you want to call it. Camera cutout. Here is the kickstand, which looks like it just pops out right here and folds down. Pretty simple. I had a case like this before for my iPhone 7, I think it was, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 7, something like that. And the issue I had with it on these cheap cases was the kickstand. The little clip that holds it in would wear out pretty quickly, and it would stop, it would fall back out when you pick the case up. So that was one of the issues I had with that. The phone is pretty loose fitting in there. It doesn't feel like it'll fall out, but it's definitely not a super snug fit, which I guess could be a good thing as long as, like I said, it doesn't fall out. So the case is completely open. There is a little bit of a raised edge to it there, but other than that, pretty simple. I mean, for $5 you can't really beat it. The kickstand appears to work as it says. You can stand it up like that, watch a movie, watch some YouTube videos, whatever you want to do, and it just pops back in like so. So I'll link this if I can find the seller again on eBay. I'll go ahead and link this down in the description. You guys can pick one up. But that's the cheapest iPhone case on eBay. And then do stay tuned because I will also be doing a video of the cheapest iPad case on eBay, which is actually pretty cool because this is actually a Poetic brand case, which they have sent me stuff to review in the past. I actually got this on closeout from one of the sellers. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe down below. And as always, have a great day.